Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today's video will be dedicated to some of the new purchases that I've made recently. These are going to be both clothes purchases and also purchases for my home. So the first thing that I want to show you is already on me. These are the pants. These are the pants from the brand Other Stories. I have already shown you another recent purchase from this brand in one of my latest videos. This was a mock turtleneck in navy blue color. I really love that one and I'm wearing it so much these days. But today is time for the pants. I was looking for a pair of wool pants that would be in a brownish color and that would be straight or a wide leg, not slim, and that was the pair that I managed to find. I ordered my pants in a size 34, but I think that they might be a little bit too small for me and I might change for a bigger size. I'm still not sure, still thinking about it, but if you are thinking about this trousers, I advise you to order a size up. Hopefully this way you're going to see a better look of the trousers here. They are quite tight on the back, and here on top they do look this way. They have a zip and they also have a place where you can wear a belt, but today I'm wearing this longer sweater. That's why I'm putting a belt over the sweater to have a nice waist here. By the way, the sweater that I'm wearing today is a wool sweater from Maj with these nice puff sleeves. The belt that I have here is from Louis Vuitton, and the headband is my new velvet headband from H&M from this year's collection. They have so many nice hair accessories this fall. I really advise you to go there and check them out. The sneakers I have put on to show you the full look are the sneakers from Louis Vuitton. I think that this look would be really good with any kind of white simple sneaker. Next, I want to show you my recent purchases from H&M, and the first thing that I got there is this pair of pants. These are 100% cashmere pants. I have just recently discovered that H&M has a premium range. These are like products with a label premium on their website. I have never seen these products inside of the shops. I only saw them online. So if you are looking for these products, you better check out their webpage. And this season I saw that they have 100% cashmere products there, like pants and sweaters. And I already have cashmere sweaters, I don't need one, but the pants I don't have cashmere pants. I mean, I've never had before this pair, and I was really curious about if it's going to be nice for winter, if it's going to be comfy, and I decided to give it a try. I ordered these pants. These are gray, they are pretty high-waisted. I'm going to put them on right now for you to see how they look on me. I think I expected them to be a little bit softer, like my cashmere products from Uniqlo. I feel that they are softer than these pants from H&M, but still that is a good price for 100% cashmere product. The price of these pants was 400 zloty in Poland. If you count it in dollars or in euro, it will be less than $100. I think it will be about 85, maybe, about something like that. To sum it up, if you like cashmere products, if you like the feeling of cashmere on your skin, this would be a really cozy option for you for this autumn-winter season. Right now I have paired these pants with a wool sweater from Maj, but generally I feel like these are pants for cozy days at home, or for like errands to go to the grocery shop or to go to the gym, and it's not like a piece that you would make fashionable looks out of. It's just my personal opinion. So what matters for me about these pants and about the look with these pants is how comfortable it is. So I think generally I'm going to wear these pants with some kind of a cozy sweater or a cozy hoodie with if it is like cold winter, I'm going to put my Ugg boots on, or if it's not so cold, I'm going to put kind of a pair of sneakers from New Balance on and just go. It's not going to be a fashionable look. Here on the screen I will insert how these pants look fully on me. As you can see, my pants are gray, but also they have the same pants in black, in cream color and in beige. I think when I was ordering my pants, the beige color was already sold out, so the gray was the color that looked best for me. My size in these pants is XS. Generally I feel like in The casual shorts and pants H&M products run pretty big, so I am taking a size XS. But obviously if you want your pants to be a little bit looser, you need to order a size up. Another product that I have here is from H&M Home. H&M Home has already started selling Christmas products, and of course I could not really stop myself from buying something out there. What I got for myself is a table runner. It is kind of a beige colored table runner with dark red pattern. Here are some rabbits and reindeers and some plants, and generally I think this table runner is appropriate both for autumn season and for winter season. It looks cozy, it has a little bit of a rustic look. I'm not a fan of a rustic look, but this one is an exception, I think. It is 100% cotton table runner and I cannot wait to put it on my table. The next thing that I got is from H&M Home as well, and this is something really small and inexpensive, but it brings a smile on my face. These are the paper napkins. I very often buy some cute paper napkins to put on my table, and this small thing really creates the mood for me, creates the atmosphere in the room and makes me happy. So when it was summer, I put some nice like summer vibes paper napkins on the table. I had some autumnal ones, and now it's time for the transition between the autumn and winter, and here I have these H&M Home paper napkins with reindeers in the forest. I think they are super cute, and that is such an inexpensive way to decorate your table. Then I have two more products to show you. The next thing that I have here is from Starbucks. We have been stopping by Starbucks today to get some pumpkin spice lattes, and I saw this cup and I loved it so much. I have been looking for an autumnal cup for quite a long time, and you know, I almost lost hope to find a perfect autumnal cup for myself, and here it is. Unexpectedly, very unexpectedly, I found one. I saw this cup standing on a shelf in Starbucks and it spoke to me. It said, bring me home, and now this cup lives in my apartment. So that is a cute Starbucks cup shaped as a pumpkin. It is matte, really nice to the touch, and the green handle. It is roundish and it feels very nice to hold it in my hands. This cup you can buy right now in all of the Starbucks, so if you want to get the same cup, it's very easy. You just have to go to the nearest Starbucks. I'm very happy that I found this one. And now moving to the last product. And the last product that I wanted to show you, you may have already seen in one of my previous vlogs. I was preparing tea for myself and I showed this beautiful teapot. This is a new teapot that I ordered from the website called Next. Next, I think it is a British website, but I'm not sure. They have shipping to lots of countries around the world. I used to order products from Next back home, back to Ukraine, but right now to Poland they do deliveries as well. So I saw this teapot, I fell in love with it straight away and I ordered it. It is quite big, this teapot, so it can hold really lots of tea. It is quite heavy, but it looks really amazing. This lid in a shape of house roof, this whole kettle, it's so cute. And I'm showing you the side with a brown door. On the other side there is a blue door. If you are looking for a cute teapot, this one from Next is just amazing. And generally I really like the home products from Next, especially their Christmas collection is usually really nice. I have lots of their Christmas towels, and I also have their Christmassy bed linen. Anyway, that was the last product that I wanted to show you today. As you can see, all of my recent purchases are very cozy and very appropriate for the season. I really hope that this video was interesting for you. Maybe you got some inspiration for yourself. I will see you soon for another video, and if you enjoyed watching this one, please push the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet.